Building a small form factor, PC, means every millimeter matters, and the wrong CPU by cooler can make the difference between a build that fits and a side panel that won't close. In 2026, ultra-low profile coolers have gotten significantly better at managing thermals in the tightest chassis. I tested 5 of the best so your SFF build doesn't overheat. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily? We unbox and test the hardware that actually matters for real builds. Honest reviews, genuine testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. New content drops every week and your next build will thank you for sticking around. The Thermalright AXP90-X36 is the ultra-thin option in Thermalright's acclaimed AXP90 lineup. And at just 36mm total height, it's the most space-efficient performer on this list. The single heat pipe design routes heat efficiently from the copper contact plate through a dense compact aluminum fin stack. And the slim 90mm fan moves enough air through the tight profile to keep mainstream CPUs within acceptable thermal limits. The overall build quality is excellent for the price, with a copper direct touch base providing good contact and heat transfer across a range of Intel and AMD socket configurations. The included fan is quieter than the size might suggest, and the low overall height means RAM clearance is genuinely no longer an issue in even the most constrained ITX cases. Installation is straightforward with a push-pin mechanism on Intel platforms and backplate mounting on AMD. For SFF builders whose case height restriction falls below 40mm or who want the absolute slimmest profile available from a reputable cooler brand, the Thermalright AXP90-X36 is the thinnest, most clearance-conscious pick on this entire list. The Thermalright AXP90-X36 fits where virtually no other cooler can, and the price in the description makes it an easy SFF build essential. Check the link below and grab it today. Slim enough for the tightest builds. The Thermalright AXP90-X47 is the taller sibling in the AXP90 family, adding just 11mm of height over the X36 in exchange for meaningfully better thermal performance. At 47mm, it fits the majority of ITX and mini ITX cases that specify a low-profile cooler requirement, and the additional fin stack height gives the cooler noticeably more heat dissipation area to work with under sustained CPU load. The 4 heat pipe configuration in the X47 transfers heat away from the CPU base more aggressively than the single heat pipe X36, allowing it to handle higher TDP processors and longer sustained workloads with lower temperatures. The 92mm fan runs quietly at moderate speeds while still delivering adequate airflow across the compact fin array. The copper direct touch heat pipe base provides excellent contact on flat heat spreaders, and RAM clearance remains excellent thanks to the flat horizontal cooler orientation. For SFF builders who have 47mm or more of clearance and want the best thermal performance Thermalright's low-profile lineup can deliver, the AXP90-X47 is the most thermally capable Thermalright pick on this entire list. The Thermalright AXP90-X47 trades a few millimeters for genuinely better cooling performance, and the price in the description makes that upgrade an easy call. Check the link below and grab it today. More cooling, barely more space. The Noctua L9a AM5 is the gold standard in ultra-low profile cooling, and Noctua's reputation for exceptional build quality, quiet operation, and genuine engineering care shows through in this AM5 specific cooler. At just 37mm total height, the L9a fits the most constrained SFF chassis while delivering thermal performance that consistently impresses for the size. The proprietary NSF-A9X14 fan is among the quietest available at this diameter and thickness, making the NH-L901 of the most acoustically refined coolers on this list, even under load. The SecuFirm 2 mounting system ensures correct, consistent pressure on the CPU heat spreader for optimal thermal contact, and Noctua includes their NTH1 thermal paste rated among the best in the market. The all-aluminum and copper construction delivers Noctua's expected premium feel, and the brown and beige color scheme is either a love or hate aesthetic decision. Noctua backs the NH-L9a with a 6-year warranty, a genuine differentiator in a cooler category dominated by manufacturers with shorter support windows. For AM5 builders who want Noctua's renowned quality and quiet operation in the tightest possible profile, the NH-L9a is the most acoustically refined, most premium pick on this entire list. The Noctua NHL9A AM5 is the quiet premium pick that SFF builders trust completely. And the price in the description reflects that Noctua engineering excellence. Check the link below and grab it today. Quiet, quality, and exactly the right size. The ID Cooling IS47XTV2 is the performance value standout in the ultra low profile category, delivering thermal performance that challenges coolers significantly above its price point at a 47mm profile that fits the majority of SFF cases with low profile requirements. ID Cooling's 4 direct touch heat pipe configuration maintains excellent contact across the CPU heat spreader, and the dense aluminum fin stack maximizes heat dissipation area within the constrained height envelope. The included 92mm PWM fan delivers good airflow with reasonable acoustics, and the V2 revision addresses some mounting feedback from the original IS47XT for a more consistent installation experience. Broad socket compatibility covers Intel LGA1700, LGA1200, and DAM4/AM5 from a single mounting kit, reducing the research burden for builders switching platforms. At this price point, the IS47X-TV2 consistently over-delivers on thermal performance expectations, keeping mainstream mid-range processors cool under gaming and productivity workloads without the premium pricing of Noctua alternatives. For SFF builders seeking the best thermal performance per dollar at 47mm height, the ID Cooling IS47X-TV2 is the most value-forward, most performance per dollar pick on this entire list. The ID Cooling IS47X-TV2 delivers thermal performance well beyond its price tag, and the deal in the description makes it the smartest SFF budget pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Best value cooling at this height. Closing out the list with the Scythe Shuriken 3, Scythe's third-generation entry in their renowned Shuriken series, balancing performance, acoustics, and clearance in a package that has earned a loyal following in the SFF community. At approximately 58mm total height, the Shuriken 3 sits slightly taller than the competition on this list, but brings meaningful additional cooling area in exchange, making it the strongest thermal performer here for builders whose cases allow the extra headroom. The 6 direct touch heat pipes cover a wide CPU contact area for superior heat transfer, and the large aluminum fin stack gives the 120mm fan genuine air volume to push heat through efficiently. The 120mm fan is among the largest usable in a low-profile cooler, producing noticeably lower noise at equivalent cooling performance compared to smaller 90mm and 92mm alternatives. Scythe's hyper-precision mounting system ensures even, correct pressure during installation. RAM clearance is generous thanks to the horizontal cooler design, accommodating tall, dim modules without conflict. For SFF builders with enough case clearance to use it, the Scythe Shuriken 3 delivers the best acoustic performance and thermal headroom on this entire list. The Scythe Shuriken 3 is the best performing low-profile cooler for builders with the clearance to use it, and the price in the description makes that performance genuinely worthwhile. Check the link below and grab it today. Maximum cooling in minimum height. Before we wrap, if this breakdown just helped you find the right low-profile cooler for your SFF build, tap that subscribe button. 1 second of your time keeps us making honest, in-depth hardware reviews every week. We genuinely appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because cooler deals move fast. If this helped you find the right low-profile cooler, smash that like button and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest hardware reviews every week. See you in the next one.